on ahead of us. Find out what is happening.
Yes, Supreme Commander.
What is it?
This is not the way to Ogbuefi's house. Where are we going?
I'm taking my husband to the church.
You know what, Susan? I think you're looking for trouble.
And I will most gladly face it when I find it. Thank you, Nado. Thank you.
This load is heavy. Hurry up, let's drop this coffin.
It refuses to move. What do you mean it refuses to move? I said it refuses to move. Do you think I enjoy carrying this thing? Jesus Christ, I'm stuck. I can't move.
Don't be ridiculous. If you're tired, say so.
Move, we can't.
What is it? What is the problem?
Nothing, madam.
What do you mean nothing?
Madam, we are stuck. We can't move. To God, women, what do you mean stuck? Huh?
Is this a joke or something?
Do I give them a...
Father, obviously, Ogbuefi, your son Namani, does not want to enter your church.
Rubbish! To God, who will... Nado! That's nonsense! Nonsense, Nado!
Take him home. We'll hold the burial service in his house.
Father!
Take him home.
I told you you were looking for trouble. Boys, let's go.
Everything is in control, Supreme Commander. I only had to prevent them from taking the body to the church.
Oh, good.